Hello everyone, welcome to the day 2 of our 30-day series on GSTAT. Today we will discuss the first ever order passed by the GSTAT in the case of Sterling and Wilson Private Limited, and the matter was related to year 2018 and 19. It was related to mismatch between GSTR 1 and 3B, and demand was raised under section 74 as fraud case. Department sees the difference and immediately jumped into the conclusion of fraud and raised a demand under section 74. Taxpayer argued that it was due to technical glitches and credit note adjustment in the early days of GST. When the matter was referred to First Appellate Authority, they made a key observation. They agreed that there was no fraud case, and they converted the case from Section 74 case to Section 73 case as a non-fraud case. However, they confirmed the tax and interest under Section 73 as it is and reduced the penalty as per Section 73. It was taken to tribunal by the SSC. Tribunal cited Section 75 subsection 2. This law says when an appellate body finds that a fraud charge under Section 74 is non-sustainable, then this case must be converted to Section 73 case as non-fraud case. However, the redetermination of liability must be done by the proper officer only. Tribunal remanded back the case to the proper officer to redetermine the liability after considering the reconciliation produced by the taxpayer. Also, give the opportunity to the taxpayer to manually file the amendments to the GST returns. After reading this judgment, there are certain points to analyze. First is why this case was listed in principal bench. However, there was no specific issues like place of supply and etc. was involved. My view on this is that some of the state benches are yet to be fully effective, so it was listed in state principal bench. Second question is, as per section 107, the appellate authority does not have the power to remand the case back to the adjudicating authority. However, tribunal has the same power. Now, how the appellate authority was supposed to pass the correct order, where section 107 does not give any such power, but as per section 75, the redetermination of liability must be done by the adjudicating authority only. Let me know in the comment section your views on these questions, and also if you have any other queries related to GST and other issues related to GST, I will try to resolve your queries. See you in next video. Till then, stay tuned and be happy. Thank you so much for watching.